Welcome to my new vlog. We're trying cranberries. 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 Like it's Spanish. No, it's more like it's like Dutch. Whatever. Packaging. Pretty good. I'll give it a 2 out of 7. I'm getting notes of cranberry. I'm getting notes of cranberry with notes of dried, with underlying notes of dried, overlaying notes of cranberry with underlying notes of dried. Overlying notes of Montreal, of being packaged in Montreal, and sunflower oil, and cane sugar, and the best before date being June 2027. Look, I was right.